good afternoon, and good night. You see, when you're doing workout, you have to make your workout fun. You have to do it as if nobody's looking. Do it, feel good doing it. Don't stop doing it. Keep the energy going, keep the vibes up. And when you do that, it will as if you're doing nothing at all. Just dance in the wind. Just be you. And even when you're dancing, you're still working out. Yes, baby. So make sure you guys get in your workout in. Yes, honey, come. Make sure you guys get in your workout in. I am doing my workout and I just finished my run, and of course, say morning, fam. He carried his Play-Doh to me to open, to do it this early in the morning, but Mama is cool with that.
Mama, I cook.
Mm?
I know, Mama, I want. Mama, I want.
Go, bring it on the table. On the table. Go. Go on the table. Go, baby, go. Go on. Go, baby. So I'm getting my workout done. I just finished doing my run and now I'm going to get some abs in. So make sure you guys are having an amazing day. Get your workout in. Just do something. Even if you have to just dance without running, just dancing alone, you might be surprised to know the amount of calories that you burn by just acting cray.
Pink.
Yeah, make it pink.
Make it the pink.
Smart boy. Anyway, you guys, back on the workout train. Come, bisou, mama, come.
Mama, bisou.
You guys, it's such a cloudy day outside today. It's not looking beautiful at all. Let me show you guys what the weather is looking like today. That's outside. It's really cloudy. Can't even see the beach much. No sun, nothing. Nothing is happening outside today. So I am in my favorite spot right now, and I am going to make dinner and lunch because I have work today, so of course I have to cook and leave dinner for the boys, and I need to eat before I go or leave dinner until I come back, whichever. But I am totally into chickpeas these days, so I put these bad boys to soak last night, so I'm going to throw them into the pressure cooker so that they can cook, and this can last me for a few days for lunch, dinner, whatever that I choose. So I'm going to cook these and I probably curry them after, and then I'm going to braise these chicken and fish for dinner and lunch for me and babe. Can I help you? Bravo! Good job. Good job. Go cut the next one. Go on. He's super into Play-Doh these days. Every morning when he wakes up, that's the first thing he wants to play with, Play-Doh. Anyway, you guys, I'm going to get cooking because I have a lot of stuff to do. And Tyler is not going to the daycare today because baby's coming home to take care of him. Because Tyler wants to go to, if you guys know by now that Tyler wants to only go to the daycare 3 days of the week, and he's going 3 other days, but not today. Okay guys, so my stove is full right now, so here's what's cooking. My chickpeas is over there. I'm making a little quinoa to not make dinner so boring. I'm cooking just some broccoli, steaming some broccoli, and then I'm braising my chicken. So this is basically dinner, and then I need to figure out what my lunch is gonna be. Tyler is somewhere here, just finished having lunch. You ate lunch and still have the passy in your mouth. Pass him out. Pass him out. Tyler is pass him out. Oh, mwah. Oh, mwah. This boy, if he says mama kiss and I don't kiss him, he gets so mad. Yes. And he hold my face and he mwah, give me a big kiss. You want to get up? Say get up.
Get up.
Right. There we go.
Get. Mama.
Yes.
Get up.
Yeah. Mama. Wow.
It's a teddy bear.
You make a teddy bear, but what happened to the stomach of the teddy bear? You cut it out? You cut it out. This is his little Play-Doh station, because Lord, when he get these Play-Dohs all over the house, oh, it's a mess. And he love Play-Doh. I found a way to revive his dry out Play-Doh instead of throwing them away, and I think it works. So that's really good, because Play-Doh dry out so easily. So I had to find a way to revive the dry out ones. Dinner is all done. I'll show you guys what I did for lunch. I have smoked salmon, some chopped tomatoes, some mashed salad. That's what this is called, this kind of salad. And I have chickpeas that I didn't curry, which is plain. And yeah, that's basically it. Bath and nap. What did you do? What is that? What? Oh, you made a cake. Wow. Good job.
Mama, this one.
You do it. He said he made a cake.
Hi guys, good morning. Yeah, didn't see you today yet, so yeah, I hope everything's doing well. I'm feeling very tired, just come back from work earlier today because I have to keep Tyler. Outside is terrible. It feels like a big storm, or yeah, so it's great. It's raining, it's windy, it feels like the end of everything. I gotta find motivation to run. Didn't run since forever. Yes, I'm thinking, trying to motivate myself. Maybe just like 15-20 minutes run, better than nothing, and it can be a good start to come back. Whew. That was a success. I just ran 20 minutes. That's what I wanted to do, 20 minutes. So I reached the target. I tried to... Oui?
Papa.
Oui, Tyler, tu dis bonjour? T'as dit bonjour?
Il a cherché maman.
Non, on va chercher maman tout à l'heure. C'est pas encore l'heure. You want to go to get mommy. So no, it's not time.
A cherché bus.
Non, on va pas chercher bus.
A cherché maman.
Non, maman elle est au travail. Tu vas regarder la télé?
A cherché voiture.
Voiture? Vas-y, va chercher voiture. When your son just start to... Wow, voiture, c'est qui? Quelle couleur?
Voiture bleu.
Oui, bleu. When your son just start to talk, you want to talk every time. Before babe leave to go to work. She make dinner. I think she already show you. I'm sure about it. So I'm just gonna show you what Tyler eat. Don't ask me why Tyler love broccoli. So that's gonna be. I'm gonna add some chicken to it, but that's gonna be Tyler dinner: broccoli and quinoa. What kind of kid love broccoli? My Tyler. My Tyler loves broccoli. He loves broccoli. I don't know how many kids. Well, I should say I'm happy because other parents used to say that once it's green in the plate, kids don't want it. Once it's green, kids don't want it. You can do. They love pasta. You put green pasta, they don't want it. So, well, should be happy about that. So I'm gonna feed Tyler outside. I just hear the thunder. Looks terrible. So yeah. I'm gonna feed Tyler, gonna make myself ready, and going to pick up some babe. She can't walk. She can't walk under the rain. Oui, Tyler. Tu as faim? Déjeuner? Non, dîner. Oui, dîner pour Tyler. Alright, Tyler ready for his dinner?
Sure. Off.
Where's the cook? Mama,
Yes.
where's the cook?
The clock is right here.
Where's the cook?
The clock is right here.
This one.
Oh, this one. Okay.
The one, 2 o'clock.
2 o'clock, yes.
Where's the fire?
The fire is right here.
Where's the mouse?
The mouse is right here.
Tyler is who with the book? Is Mama or you?
Where's the balloon?
The balloon is right here.
The coach there.
Where is the cow? Is here.
Go there.
Mm-hmm.
The moon there. The moon there.
The moon is here.
The moon there.
And is
Moon there.
Tyler reading to you?
Where's the best?
The teddy bear is here. So excuse me.
Really? Where's the shoes?
Where's the
Shoes is
shoes?
here.
Where's the minion?
Where's the?
Where's the minion?
The cow jumping over the moon. And there was 3 little bears sitting on chairs.
Where's the...
Good night room.
Where's the giraffe?
It's here.
Where's the elephant?
It's here.
Where's the bear?
It's here.
Where's the mouse?
It's here.
Is Tyler asking you?
Where's the minion?
Hmm?
Where's the minion?
The mitten is here.
Yeah.
We're just coming on to end today's vlog. It was a long day, and I'm just waiting on Babe to join me so I can give you the Jamaican and French expression real quick. And I know exactly what the Jamaican expression is going to be tonight. It's gonna be
He's gonna be
the Jamaican expression is gonna be me free paper bun. So if a Jamaican say me free paper bun, simple mean their time is up. So my free paper bun to go back to work today. So it was my first day back at work today. So I'm free paper officially bun today.
You free paper bun?
Yes.
You want to know what's the French expression, right?
Yes.
What if I tell you, occupe-toi de tes oignons?
Oh Lord. Oh.
Occupe-toi
Occupe-toi
de tes oignons.
de tes oignons. What does that mean?
Take care of your onion.
Take care of your onion.
Yeah, what means take care of your onion?
Well,
Alright
I
guys,
take
so
care of
in
my
French,
onion.
if somebody tell you occupe-toi de tes oignons, like take care of your onions, mean take care of your business. Like it's not your what my things or what you're trying to talk about is not your business. So if for example I'm talking about something and you come and you tell me like no you should do that or you should do that, and say take care of your onion, like take care of your business. So it's not nice. If somebody tell you that, it's not nice.
Okay, which means they
Okay.
need to keep your nose out of people's business and mind yours.
Right.
Okay, mind your own business. That's what it means in English.
Yeah.
Okay.
Occupe-toi de tes oignons. So it's like take care of onions, of your own onions.
Okay, I'm always taking care of my own onions.
Yeah,
So
take care of
I
your
don't need
onions.
nobody to tell me that.
Uh.
Trust me. Anyway, you guys, Tyler is long off to bed and we're going to jump in real quick because we've been going to bed late these nights and we've been struggling to wake up, and I've been fighting
I have a
to get up
long
to...
neck like a giraffe. If Tada was beside me, I would say,
Where is the
giraffe?
Hilarious. Anyway, you guys, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and turn on your notification. We love you guys, and to all our new subscribers that we've got lately, welcome to the fam bam. Catch up and keep up. We love you guys. Comment down below and we'll see you guys tomorrow.